Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my patrons and those who ordered their Tesla using my link. Your support is much appreciated. Please consider supporting this channel. And Tesla is being sued by Walmart, and of course the stock is down as a result. And the reason why Walmart is suing Tesla, this is a bizarre story, but let me tell you a little bit of the details and then we'll tell you why it's so bizarre. So here's what happened. So Walmart is claiming that Tesla has treated their solar roof that were installed on many Walmart stores by extreme negligence, exposed wires, not professional installments of solar panels. As a result, in 7 stores, and as you know, Walmart stores are big, they're mega stores, 7 stores on the roof were set on fire. I'm going to show you some pictures, causing millions of dollars in damages to those roofs and to even some merchandise between the years of 2012 to 2018. Previously it was Solar City before it was bought by Tesla. But anyway, a store in Ohio, for example, was closed for 8 days because of the fire on the roof, causing a damage between $3 to $6 million. Tesla has no comments so far, and there was an agreement to install 244 roofs, solar panels on roofs of Walmart. And even though some of the stores were disconnected from the inverters and all the wiring, still fires took place. Interestingly enough, the lawsuit does not specify a monetary claim. The Walmart is not saying how much money they ask for. I'm sure it will come later. But and of course the Tesla stock is down today because of this. The reason why it is a weird story is why this had to end up in a lawsuit. I mean, okay, let's pick a number, $30 million the damage for Tesla company, and for Walmart, this is like pocket change. I mean, it's something that you deal with behind the scenes, and you come into some kind of a settlement, fixing agreement, whatever that is. I mean, what could have happened behind the scenes that caused this to go into a lawsuit? Or is it just a power play, hold me before I'm setting up the clubhouse on fire, something like that? So what happened? Of course this is damage, but we're talking about Walmart and Tesla. Walmart, one of the biggest companies in the world. What could have possibly happened behind the scenes? Now, obviously there was fire on the roofs. You see damages, you see pictures. There's nobody denying this. But what happened behind the scenes that ended up in a lawsuit? The Tesla not respond. They're claiming something else. So far, no words from Tesla. Of course, I'm going to continue following the story and report whatever I can. But I can tell you that I have on my house solar panels from were installed by Solar City. They've been on my house for 5 years almost. I mean, production is great. There was not even 1 day or 1 hour that the solar panels didn't function or was anything happen or nothing. I mean, I've been on my roof many times and inside the attics many times. I like to climb. And nothing. I mean, the work was done professionally. They were there for 1 day from what I remember. And it was all, turn it on yourself. It's nothing. I mean, I check the app. I mean, after 5 years, like I said, the solar panels are producing to the capacity that was promised. 8,000 plus kilowatt per year, between 30 to 50 kilowatts a day, depending on the seasons, obviously. So I have been having wonderful experience with my Solar City, now Tesla solar. So I don't know. I don't know what happened. It's very, very weird, very interesting. If you have any info, any insight to the matters behind the scenes, please let everybody know. Put it in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll keep you updated. Give me a thumbs up. See you tomorrow.